You'll need a white porcelain dish, any shape or size you'd like, a paper napkin in any design or print you'd like, a small paintbrush, scissors, and Mod Podge. Let's get started. First, we'll take our napkin and unfold it. Peel from the corner to remove the second white layer. We'll only need the top pattern layer for our project. Then begin cutting the napkin in sections so it's easier to cut out the pieces that you want to use for your trinket dish. Now you'll start cutting the pieces you want to use to decorate your trinket dish. Be sure to cut away as much of the white part as possible for a more seamless look, but it doesn't need to be perfect. After you finish cutting out your piece, set it aside and keep cutting what else you'd like to use. You can use as little or as many pieces as you want. Next, you'll take your dish and start laying out the pattern you'd like to use. Once you've got your pattern set, use the Mod Podge liberally for each piece so it lays flat. If you use too much, it will make the pieces wrinkle. Once you've got your Mod Podge down and are ready to attach your piece, gently tap down and smooth out the piece, trying to remove any wrinkles carefully so that you don't rip the napkin. Then continue for the remaining pieces of your pattern. Mod Podged all the pieces, let it dry for about 20 minutes. After it's dried, put a layer of Mod Podge over them to seal it. It may look a little strange, but it'll dry nicely. Just be sure not to overdo it so you don't saturate and rip the napkin. Once you've sealed all the pieces, make sure to let it dry for at least 20 minutes again. And there you have it, your very own trinket dish. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check back next week for our upcoming Bluemoon Craft.